daw si Seth. Mas daw.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Ivy Laxina and Coach Taka Minowa of the Akari Chargers, who won in straight sets against the Capital One Silver Spikers. Coach, congratulations on this win. During the third set, it was a little of a tight game against Capital One. How did the team manage to survive that late rally from Capital One?
This is going to be a long conference, and also we still on the elimination day. So at least we have a chance to challenge for a different system. I want to challenge for during a game, not only during a practice. Because also that's what we do practice also. So yun lang. Capital One is really good, fighting spirits under the end. Even led fast at 25-9. That's what we need to also run from them.
Thank you, Coach. And for IB, 15 points in this game against Capital One. Anong third set nga medyo limit yung laban? And nung first two sets, na-dominate nyo talaga yung Capital One. So siguro personally, ano lang yung naging motivation mo for this game?
Siguro ako po, yung naging motivation ko po is, syempre yung teammates ko po. And yung sina-coach, ganyan. Kasi po, parang, yun nga po, may mga injured po sa amin na teammates, ganyan. So parang kami-kami na lang din po yung nandito. Kaya parang every game po, lagi po namin gusto yung manalo po.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Ayun, Ivy, ano lang yung nakikita yung tama yung ginagawa nito kahit kulang kayo. Kaya back-to-back wins kayo.
Siguro po, yung pagtutulungan po namin sa isa't isa. And yun talaga ang tiyaga namin. And pasensya po. Binabaan po talaga ngayon. Kasi wala na po kami ibang choice. Hindi po gawin po yung mga sinasabi ni Coach.
For IB, medyo mas nagiging kompleto na kayo in terms of yung roster. So siguro at this point na medyo patuloy na tayo, kaya nakalaga lang na mas maging full force kayo para makaangat pa ng makaangat before the qualifying.
Siguro po, lagi naman po namin sinasabi na trabaho pa din po. Sunod kami lagi sa game plan ni Coach Taka. And siguro, tuloy-tuloy lang po namin yung pagbuo po ng culture ng team. Kaya siguro din po, mas maganda yung pinagalaw po ngayon.
And for Coach, compared to how you ended 2024, are you much happier now with the way Akari began 2025, or it's still a bit rough for you?
I mean, still same po. At least we handle the Sibayan player, but they have also a lot of potential. So I mean, it's new rules, it doesn't matter. What I'm explaining, like we also need to learn from the Captain One, but they're showing to the fighting spirit. Because sometimes also we're missing, like even we are not the champion team. Just last conference went to championship, but sometimes like the acting is like looks like a champion team. So we just need to be humble and to be focused on our improvement.
I think if you take us back dun sa third set, may mas advantage ba yung parang may mas experience inside the court compared sa very young team na Capital One, or same pa rin namin yung experience when it comes to late stretches na game, lalo na kapag time?
Siguro po, may factor po. Pero more on, dun po sa kagustuhan pong manalo ng third set. And yun, yung fighting spirit po talaga. Kasi parang lagi po yung sinasabi sa amin ni Coach na hindi po palagi bata kami. Kailangan maging mature po kami. Kahit na mga young age po.
Coach, this is Akari's first agency in the conference. I guess, and then you started off strong, but I guess how did you like the start of the game as compared to the previous matches?
Actually, I think that's a problem. Kasi every time we won 3-1, not for 3-0, and then we through like 3-0. So, just today, our tactical is like super welcome against Captain One. But especially if it's like strong team, also they will adjust. So we still need to go to work on during the game how we adjust to the game. I think that's the most important. At least we have a good player.
Idea niya, 2 more games na lang sa inyo sa schedule nyo. Siguro, nauna nakakuha rin kayo ng 3-0. Siguro, hopefully, are you seeing this parang momentum building na heading into your final 2 games?
For sure naman po, maganda po pag-boost ng moral po namin itong game na to. Pero syempre, yung mga next games din po namin is magbibigat na teams. Kaya kailangan po talaga namin doblehin pa po o triplihin yung magiging trabaho po namin ulit versus po din sa mga teams na.
Coach, speaking of next game, your next game will be against Choco Mucho. So how will this win help you guys heading to that game?
I think Choco Mucho and Akari, it's more broken team. So it's most important is our passing and our side out phase. Because as we know, most teams against broken team. I think we need to make it on a good sub and also a good side out. That's what we also have a program in the Chapter 1 in Nasi.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Ivy.
Thank you,
Congrats.
Bob.